So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to try and do my best Elizabeth impersonation here and give you a guided tour of the new lights. Now, first of all, you'll see these lovely lanterns here that light up outside the doors into the tea tent. And these, I believe, are here to not just provide some gentle ambiance, but to provide us with protection from mosquitoes, because I think they get attracted to those and then get electrocuted, which is awesome. And then inside the tent here, you'll see the lights, which we just switched on. I think you can see to twinkle mode, which is kind of cool. And those are just lovely. We will maybe try another mode tomorrow night. Once we've done that. Oh, and here's Nudie Dudes. Come on, Nudes. Come on, Nudes. Come on, Nudie. There we are. Who's a good boy? There we go. And here is the outside. As you can see, it's still maybe a little too light to see them in all their kind of glory, but there they are. I think these look absolutely fantastic. What do you think? What do you think, Noodles? I'm not sure Noodles is that interested, but he's just enjoying being out for a wander. And there we go. See? That is that. Thank you very much, Friggin. Everybody say night-night to Noodles. Night-night, Noodles. Noodles. Nudie Dudes. Nudie Dudes. Oh, he's not paying any attention. What are you doing? Okay, well, there we have it, and good night to everybody.